The sun, a massive, glowing sphere of hot gas at the center of our solar system, operates through a process called nuclear fusion. Let's dive into the essence of this process to understand how it works. At its core, the sun is mostly composed of hydrogen and helium, with temperatures reaching about 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, and immense pressure. The core sets the stage for the fusion process to unfold. Here, hydrogen atoms collide with tremendous force, fusing together to form helium and releasing an incredible amount of energy in the form of light and heat. This is the primary source of the sun's energy. The fusion process within the sun's core converts approximately 4 million tons of mass into energy every single second. This energy then travels outward through the various layers of the sun. It first moves through the radiative zone, where energy is transferred by radiation, taking thousands to millions of years to pass through, because it gets absorbed and re-emitted by particles. Next, it reaches the convective zone, where hot plasma rises to the surface, cools down, and sinks back to be reheated, creating convection currents that help transport energy to the surface. The energy eventually reaches the sun's surface, or photosphere, with a temperature of about 500 degrees Celsius, 932 degrees Fahrenheit. From here, the light and heat from the sun are radiated out into space in all directions, providing the energy that supports life on Earth, drives weather patterns, and powers the entire solar system. Beyond the photosphere, there are two more layers, the chromosphere and the corona. The chromosphere is a thin layer where the temperature starts to rise again, while the corona is an outer layer that extends millions of kilometers into space, with temperatures soaring up to 2 million degrees Celsius. The corona is visible during a solar eclipse as a glowing halo around the sun. In essence, the sun works by converting hydrogen into helium through nuclear fusion in its core, releasing immense energy that radiates outward. This energy provides light, heat, and sustains all life on Earth. The sun has been shining for about 6 billion years, and will continue to do so for another 5 billion years, making it the ultimate powerhouse of our solar system, sustaining life as we know it.